बैक पाछळ.
Mrs. and Mr. Adil Sekhna sir has joined us. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
I said he'll come at this.
Great delight to welcome Mr. Pankaj Dav. We have with us Mr. T.L. Sajnani. We joyfully welcome you, sir.
Enjoyed your trip.
Mr. Bhagwan Giryani. We welcome you, sir. We are honored to have with us our President, Mr. Yogesh Mehta and family. And we will welcome to you, sir.
No, I got message from them.
Good evening. Good to see you.
Nice to see you. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Got back. Only for the
No, today the flight was.
Joins our program. Sir was saying that my name is sir is coming.
कलाकार की नजर होती है.
Good evening, ma'am. Good to see you. We were also waiting for you.
Today's Cultural Eve is to present the journey of literary thoughts from the earlier times to the present times. The unique linguistic variety of literature shown in this Cultural Eve keeps pace with the cultural evolution. The traditions of nurturing the plurality of languages, strengthening the modern era, enriching all the aspects of life goes with the era of literature.
Before we embark on the journey of this cultural eve, I would like to call on stage our school principal ma'am to give a warm welcome speech to our eminent guest. Also, we would like to add a word of appreciation for our ma'am for all her hard work and efforts towards the progress of the school and towards the upcoming cultural eve. The most versatile personality, Mrs. Aarti Giryani.
Good evening, ji. Welcome. Thank you for taking the time off for us.
I hope it's right dot on time.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
It's very important.
Welcome.
थोड़ा सामने मैम.
It is our esteemed pleasure to welcome Chief Guest of the evening, Shri Nandesh Shukla ji, on our cultural event. We request our President of Modern Education Society, Ms.
Nice to see you here. Important things are very much in time. Pankaj bhai.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this year's annual function. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the achievements, talents, and hard work of our students, teachers, and staff. We have a lot of talented performers lined up for you today, and we are excited to introduce them to you. From dance performances to musical acts, we have a diverse range of performances that are sure to keep you entertained throughout the evening. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all the guests, parents and students who have graced this occasion with their presence.
The apex of Indian culture has been ancient literature, which demonstrates the master's wide range of aptitude and expertise. Perhaps no other region in the world has created such a substantial amount of literature about knowledge and wisdom than India. For more than 300 years, Sanskrit, first in its Vedic form and then in its classical form, dominated India's literary tradition.
Today's cultural eve is to present the journey of literary thoughts from the earlier times to the present times. The unique linguistic variety of literature shown in this cultural eve keeps pace with the cultural evolutions. The traditions of nurturing the plurality of languages, strengthening the modern era, enriching all the aspects of life goes with the era of literature.
Before we embark on the journey of this cultural eve, I would like to call on stage our school principal ma'am to give a warm welcome speech to our eminent guest. Also, we would like to add a word of appreciation for our ma'am for all her hard work and efforts towards the progress of the school and towards the upcoming cultural eve. The most versatile personality, Mrs. Aarti Giryani.
It is my proud privilege this evening to extend a warm welcome on behalf of Managing Committee, Modern Education Society, staff and students, even on myself, to Mr. Nandesh Shukla sir, who is IIT's Deputy Chairman, Deen Dayal Port Authority. Sir, thank you for being with us or grace this occasion with us. Your presence means a lot for us and on the 65th celebration of ours. I extend warm welcome to all the other dignitaries, invited guests and my dear parents. I will even like to extend a warm welcome to alumni who have joined today's evening on our invitation. I would just like to put a highlight on today's program. This program, number of participants are 400 plus and they all are from grade means nursery to standard 12 and age group 3 to 18. So, and they all are participants from various buildings of ours, Adipur building, Gandhidham building and this Oslo building. So, lot of coordination has been done to present this program. Let us start with it. I hope all of you will have a very nice evening today. So once again, heartiest welcome. Let's kickstart our program. Thank you.
Thank you.
As we pay our homage to Lord Ganesh, the god of wisdom, prosperity and good fortune. This beautiful aarti dedicated to Lord Ganesh is composed by Sant Samarth Ramdas and will be performed by our students of Old Building Standard 2nd as our divine dancers under the guidance of Mrs. Rima Paul.
सुंदर विषय
ones. Thank you, children, for bringing down God's blessings on all of us.
How about a visit to the jungle to refresh our souls? Yes, our little stars of pre-primary section Adipur branch have come up under the guidance of Mrs. Seema Poptani with a colorful dance for the popular Jungle Book theme song to meet the denizens of green jungle. Tigers, bear, leopards, deer, rabbits and the little jungle boy Mowgli, all under the same roof. It will be so cool to watch them dance in their own world of dhamal and masti.
Rushing down from the greens of forest to the lanes of kingdom. Let's enjoy the literary play by one of the most well-known educatory author, a philanthropist and the chairperson of Infosys Foundation, Sudha Murthy. Her play, Seeds of Truth, is a beautiful story of truth and honesty and how the nature repays us our act of good values. The play has been dramatized by the students of primary section, New Building, assisted by Mrs. Vinaya Ahir and Miss Hemlata Khemnani.
He was born on 19th August 1950 in Shillong, Karnataka to Surgeon Dr. R.H. Murthy and his wife Vimla Kulkarni. She completed BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering and ME in Computer Science. She is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation and wife of co-founder of Infosys, N.R. Narayana Murthy. Sudha Murthy received Padma Shri for her contribution to economy and social welfare. She received the Rajlakshmi Award and Aarti Narayan Award for Literature. In the year 1995, she was awarded the Best Teacher Award from Rotary Club at Bangalore.
Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was just and wise king. People were very happy in his kingdom.
Namaste, Namaste, Namaste. How are you, my friend? I am fine.
The king does not have any children.
I am so worried. Our king is growing older.
Yes. After him, who will take care of our kingdom?
The king was fond of gardening. He spent his lot of time in gardening. Plants, finest fruits, trees, vegetables and crops.
My lord, what is your plan for the successor of our kingdom?
Yes, my minister, I have an idea for it. Let's make an announcement. I am going to give seeds to all the children in the kingdom. The one who will grow them into beautiful flower bearing plant will be appointed as my successor.
The next day, a long line of anxious parents and children formed outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant.
See, father, I too got a seed from the king. Let me sow it in a pot in our garden, and I will surely take great care of it. I will water it and provide it manure.
Pingala did as he had thought of, but the seed did not sprout.
Let me change the soil and transfer the seed to another pot.
Even after the changes, the plant did not sprout. Weeks and months passed. No change.
Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. Please.
Oh dear, I had seen you working so hard. I know you have tried your best. At least you should go to the king's palace with your empty pot. He would also know that you have tried your best.
The day arrived when all the children had to come to the king with their newly sprouted plants.
Look at those angels walking to the palace dressed in their best clothes.
Following his father's advice, Pingala too put on his best clothes and started off to the palace. He joined the others outside the palace holding the empty pot in his hands.
Oh minister, look at the children. Their faces are shining with hope. My dear child, why have you come with an empty pot? Did your seed not grow into plant?
Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best to grow the seed. I gave the best soil and manure to it, but it did not grow.
Here is the new my successor to the throne. I had given roasted seeds to everyone which would never grow. Only this young boy showed his honesty. All others have definitely brought plants from some other seeds.
The play teaches us moral values of honesty. Hence, it is rightly said, honesty is the best policy.
Please give them a huge round of applause. What a captivating performance by our children. Indeed, her books are a must to be read by all of us.
Let us now come back to the mood of fun with dance. Recharge ourselves with the lovely performance by our cute little children of pre-primary section, Old Building, Gandhidham, ready on their twinkling toes. All the efforts have been put up by Miss Shilpa Somaya. Let's witness these kids giggling and dancing on the popular song, yes, popular from the era of 1960s, Nani Teri Morani Ko More Le Gaye. The lyrics of this song were penned down by the famous writer Shailendra.
Bolo.
children have taken us deep back in the memories we all have spent in our Nanihals.
Hindu literature without the epic Ramayana and Mahabharata is incomplete. Ramayana, the Sanskrit epic written by Valmiki, is world-renowned, and connecting to the story of Lord Rama returning from exile and the event of the long wait of Shabri, we quote the beautiful lines written by a well-known Hindi poet. जितनी गलियां हैं शहर में मेरे, आज सारी सजा के रख दी हैं, राम रास्ता न भूल जाए कहीं, मैंने आंखें जला के रख दी हैं. Can you all guess the name of the poet? Till the time you guess, let us witness our young Sanatanis of secondary, higher secondary section to welcome Lord Rama. This item has been guided by Miss Neelam Shah and Miss Neeta Tulsiani. Performance. Yes, maybe some have guessed it right. He is the famous poet Manoj Muntashi.
Always a part of our Hindi and Sanskrit textbooks, who all have never gone through Kabir's Dohe. Yes, Sant Kabir Das, जिन्होंने अपने अनमोल विचार दोहों के रूप में पिरोए हैं, जिनमें सुखमय जीवन के राज छिपे हैं, जिन्होंने समाज में फैली भ्रांतियां और बुराइयों को दूर करने में अपना पूरा जीवन समर्पित कर दिया। कबीरदास जी को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए एक छोटी सी प्रस्तुति मिसेस ज्योति जेठवानी और मिसेस तृप्ति जानी के नेतृत्व में हमारे आदिपुर ब्रांच के नन्हे बालकों द्वारा पेश की जा रही है।
गुरु गोविंदो खड़े काके लागो पाय, गुरु गोविंदो खड़े काके लागो पाय, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए कबीरा, गोविंद दियो बताए।
यस सर, मैं आपका पूरा पैसा अभी ट्रांसफर कर देता हूँ। थोड़ा समय तो लगता ही है। और हाँ, अगर आपको और डोनेशन की जरूरत हो तो हमें याद रखिएगा और हमारा परसेंटेज निकालना मत भूलिएगा। क्या है ना, हराम का पैसा हमें बहुत भाता है। साहब तुम लोगों को कुछ काम नहीं है क्या? चले आते हो।
बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर, बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर कबीरा, फल लागे अति दूर।
सर, मैं आपकी बात के मुताबिक आपको 20% पैसा एक्स्ट्रा दे चुका हूँ और आप कहते हैं कि मेरा कमीशन नहीं निकलेगा। सर, मैं आराम का पैसा जल्दी से छोड़ता नहीं।
ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का पाखो, ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का पाखो, और उनको शीतल करे, आप हो शीतल हो कबीरा, आप हो शीतल हो।
मॉर्निंग सर, हाउ आर यू?
Where is Malhotra's file?
सर, मैं आपको 2003
What is 2-3 दिन? आप पिछले 5 दिनों से यही बात बोल रहे हैं। अब तनख्वाह किस बात की लेते हैं? Get out from my office. Forget about your job.
दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई, दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे, तो दुख काहे होए कबीरा, तो दुख काहे हो।
मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जी, कहे कबीर हरि आइए मन ही के प्रति।
जोरदार तालियां हो हमारे नन्हे बच्चों के लिए। An important announcement for the parents. Parents are requested not to take any photographs from their mobiles. School has arranged for the professional photographers. Your kids will be given the photographs later on.
Our next performance, Epitome of Bravery by our students of Old Building, Standard 3rd and 4th, is about an iconic female warrior, Rani Lakshmi Bai, who bolstered in the revolt against the British rule. The word epitome means a perfect example, and Rani Lakshmi Bai is truly an epitome of bravery. And describing her very well in the poem written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. The poem titled Khoob Ladi Mardani, Wo To Jhansi Wali Rani Thi, not only describes the bravery of Rani Lakshmi Bai, but also became an important poem to inspire others. This item has been directed by Mrs. Neeta Parmar.
भारतवर्ष एक महान सभ्यता है जहाँ मिट्टी भी सोना थी और दिलों के दरवाजे हर मेहमान के लिए खुले थे। इन्हीं दरवाजों से एक दिन घुस आए कुछ क्रूर शैतानी इरादे। हिंसा और अत्याचार के सामने जब घायल हो रही थी हर आत्मा, तब इस मिट्टी के गर्भ से उठ खड़ी हुई।
मैं लक्ष्मी बाई प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ, जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है, मैं पूर्ण निष्ठा से झांसी की सेवा करूंगी।
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
सैनिकों, पंडोरा पर कब्जा करने का वक्त आ गया है। क्या तुम तैयार हो?
आजादी का संग्राम बलिदान मांगता है। हमारा सौभाग्य होगा अगर इस पवित्र मिट्टी को अपने प्राणों की भेंट दे पाएंगे। रही बात मिसाल बनाने की, मैं वो मशाल बनूंगी जो हर भारतीय के अंदर आजादी की भूख बनकर दहकेगी।
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव।
Governor General Lord Dalhousie के orders हैं। We have to give up your Jhansi now.
हम अपनी झांसी नहीं देंगे, झांसी हम हिंदुस्तानियों की ही है।
की रानी आई है, भाल तिलक और हाथ खड़क, दुर्गा है काली माई है। अश्व चढ़ी प्रचंड विकट ये मनोह लक्ष्मी बाई है, शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर तेरी शामत आई है। चल नयन की धार तो देखो, गज पर धारी बार तो देखो, तेरे शीश को लेने आई झांसी
झांसी वाली रानी थी वो।
आज की सभी नारियां हैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और इन सभी नारियों को शत शत नमन।
What a breathtaking performance. A huge round of applause. Audience, please clap and motivate our children.
जिस धरोहर का धर्म ही कुर्बानी है, रक्त से सींची गई वो मिट्टी राजस्थानी। एक तेजस्वी राणा से रण स्वयं भयभीत था, अगर लड़ा यह भूमि पर तो बचना सिर्फ श्रोणित था। A born legend who led his people unafraid. Death stood aside as destiny guided him. His name invoked loyalty and made the proud warriors defend their lands. There he stood in the shadows watching his province. We call him the warrior, a Shurveer. History calls him Maharana Pratap. Coming up on the stage are the students of secondary and higher secondary under the guidance of Mrs. Nikita Jetra, Mrs. Seema Tolani and Mrs. Shweta Joshi to give an energetic dance tribute to our King of Mewar, Maharana Pratap.
रणभीत चौकड़ी भर भर कर चेतक बन गया निराला था। राणा प्रताप के घोड़े से पड़ गया हवा को पाला था। गिरता न कभी चेतक तन पर राणा प्रताप का घोड़ा था। वो दौड़ रहा अरिमस्तक पर या आसमान पर घोड़ा था। जो तनिक हवा से बाघ हिली लेकर सवार उड़ जाता था, राणा की पुतली फिरी नहीं तब तक चेतक मुड़ जाता था।
समय है युद्ध का, करना है संहार, पहला हो या अंतिम दिन दोनों होंगे वार। माथे पे बांधे कफन साक्षी मेरी तलवार, मैं माटी के लिए जीऊं यही मेरा जीवन सार।
महाराणा प्रताप।
A big round of applause for our energetic performers.